ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa mo kí wa ní gbogbo ibi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ wa. Èmi ọmọ náà ni Àkàlàmàgò TV. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ̀yàn bá lòun ní rẹ́rìn kò sí nǹkan tẹ́yàn ò lè gbọ́ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Àwọn Fúlàní ń threatening, they are threatening. Please, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń sọ lẹ́nu. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ brother yìí tó bá wa ń translate àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ń sọ. Ẹ wá gbọ́rọ̀ búburú lẹ́nu ẹyẹ. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbọ́ èdè àwọn àbókí tẹ́ gbọ́ Haúsá, ẹ drop comment náà. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ bá wa drop comment síbẹ̀ kẹ́ bá wa tú. Wọ́n ní tẹ́ ẹ bá pa màálù ẹyọ kan, ẹ̀mí tá lọ sí, ẹ̀mí tí wọ́n á fi dí màálù yẹn tí wọ́n á tá lọ sí pé kì í ṣe díẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, ẹnu mi kọ́lẹ̀ ó ti gbọ́. Ẹ dúró kẹ́ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ. Àwọn Fúlàní ni o, they are threatening. Let's go there. Oya now.
Hausa, allow me to translate this, what this Fulani guy is saying.
Wai don an kashe mutane 200 a Benue State shi zai tada hankalin mutane a dunga haya a social media to kaɗan kuka gani.
He says, so because they've killed 200 people in Benue State, that's why everybody is getting angry. Now why are people getting angry now that this one is really small?
Ba kun rubuta kun ce za a kori Fulani a ƙasan Benue kuna dariya. Dama daga dariya sai kuka, za ku shi ubanku a wannan shekara. Za ku shi ubanku.
Say Nebuna talk say me Fulani live on our land. When they write time, when even they laugh, say from laughter to tears now. Say una go chop una nyash.
Mutum 100 shine tarzoma a zuciya. Mu shanu na aka kashe muna. Mutanen mu nawa aka kashe a daji da ruga duk ba ai komai ba. Ai kashe mutane 100 wallahi ba laifi ba wani abu kuma. Kaɗan ne.
Say waiting be 100 people. Say waiting be 100 people. Say because they kill 100 people, now they make una mind the vex. Say what of their people where they don't kill for bush? How many of their cattle where they don't kill? Say this one are small thing now. Say no worry. You get.
Kunga wannan a matsayin shi shanuna billahi lazi zan iya kashe kaɗo guda 150 akan wannan. Ni yanzu.
Now he's saying you see this cow. Now see this cow where they here, this young calf. Saying swear to God, saying if he kill like 150 people for this cow.
Na daina a yi man laifi in ce sai na tsaya hukuma ko wani abu na yafe. Ba zan taɓa yafewa kuma ana yi man zan rama. Ana yi man kuma a matsayina bafulatinin daji.
Saying no send, he no go sit down, they wait for anybody. If they're killing cow, in go revenge.
Ni yanzu na daina ɓoye-ɓoyen nan in ce ai ba zan kashe mutum ko ba zan yi kaza ba. Duka aikin laifi zan iya aikata shi akan wannan. Kisa dai ba kisa da zai gagare ni akan wannan insha.
Say no go they pretend again. The reason say no go tell una the truth. Say him if he kill 150 people for this one and nothing. Say if una do him go revenge because na so it did for them normally. So no more pretense from him. This is who he is. Alright, so now don't hear, but you've listened. So what's he saying? He's saying that it doesn't matter where you are from. He can kill for his cattle. And that cattle's life is more important than human life. Just understand something. This is not a place where you want to reason, sit them down, explain to them how human lives is better than cattle. This is how it is for them. And so my advice for you is this. As a Nigerian, whether you call yourself Nigerian or not, you need to protect yourself, most especially all the men in this country. You need to be able to protect your families. May nobody catch you by surprise. You cannot go down shouting Jesus, my God, or begging for your life. You have to be ready. There's no law that prevents you from protecting yourself. Do you understand? In this life, as person no bring you come this life, you supposed go out on your own terms. Nobody's supposed to come and just take your life from you like that. You understand? All the people, normally, we think we are in a normal society. But the law is not on our side. The law is not on the side of the masses. The law is put to protect politicians and protect people who have money and in power. These guys are being protected, they are influenced, they are armed. They are provided with arms and weapons. You are not provided with anything. Find your way. You are a sovereign being. You have right over this earth like any other person. They too have right over this earth like any other person. but there must be an understanding. If person dey reason like this, you suppose understand. And I'm sending this message to all the politicians in our state, most of you that have cattle. You hear what they are saying, that human life is less than the cattle. You keep keeping those cattle in our state. It's a reminder to the people of Benue that you have something, an animal that is above them. And it's unacceptable. It is advisable that you guys sell all those cattle. Make we know say cattle no dey, cow no dey inside Benue State. We must start using that collective action. If not, you are an enemy to your brethren. You are an enemy to your kin. Because person dey talk say cattle dey above human life, and you are rearing cattle in the same state where people have come to kill because they are saying that our kinsmen killed their cattle, and so life must be lost. And somebody is saying that for a calf, 150 human lives with potentials to change the surface of this earth, would you understand, will be killed and murdered, and nothing will happen. It doesn't care. They don't care. So you need to understand the enemy and understand how they think. Do not think that Jesus is going to save you. Do not think that the church will save you. Do not think that the government will save you. You have rights of existence. You are a sovereign being walking the surface of this earth, and nobody should take your life without your consent. Do you understand me? That's what I want all of you to understand today. So all the youth in Benue crying and shouting and thinking your politicians will come and help you, you are lying to yourself. Nobody will help you. Go and learn self-defense. Learn self-defense. Learn how to protect yourself and your family. Tell everybody around you to be on alert. Tell your people in the village to be on alert. I called my uncles in the village and asked them how far what's happening there. They say that they're all right. So protect yourself and understand it. These guys, they come as your friends. They'll come, they'll offer you this, they will give you that, they will scout you and understand. They will even use their women who sell these things to come and scout you and understand. You are laughing like a sheep. You are smiling. You are being friendly. Tomorrow they'll come and gun you down, slice you, burn you. They have grenade launchers, they have guns, they have machine guns, they have everything. What do you have? You have stick. You have what? You have please. No, please. You are shouting because you did not prepare for war. We are on a battlefield here. Just know it. We are in a battlefield, and that is all. Somebody can come and claim your life for cattle when you even fit speak English, no fit do anything. They value cattle. A calf is equivalent to 150 human beings. That's what they are saying. Go and protect yourself. Let's not be making too much noise here. Let's not be making too much noise here. There's no need to come and make noise to say we are protected, we are ready. No. Go and just be ready. And tell all your friends, tell everybody, tell your family members, tell everybody to be ready. Just in case. I don't want to lose my loved one to the explain. They come find government, they cry, they say, look at what they did to my people, look at what they did to my family. It will not happen. All of them have told them. Everybody should be secure and sharp. That is the country we are in right now. Whether you've gone to school, whether you've used your brain, whether you are thinking we are living in a civil society, we are not. We are not living in a civil society. We are living in a chaotic place where dog eats dog. Do you understand? Down to everything we do is very transactional, even in the way we live. Save yourself, save your family. People of Benue, this is it. You understand? The ones that have capacity should provide things that will save you. The local vigilantes, as far as concerned, all of us are vigilante. All of us be vigilante. Our people in the Senate, we talk to them, let them legalize. The place is already, it's not a safe zone, and people cannot be moving without the understanding that their lives can be taken at any point in time. How do people pass all the way and come and attack you in your place? It's because you've been giving them space. You've been giving them space. The last video I posted, I was talking about building towers for vigilante. I've called people, they said metal is costly, wood might not do it, so they go build and with block go up. If you want to support, send me a message. You understand? Protect your life. This is the black and white of everything. Protect your life.
Hello. Tibi wallahi in ba ku daina ba za mu ci ubanku ba, ya kamata ba ku duba abin da yake akwai. Wai kuna ce za ku kore mu a jihar Benue. Ƙarya ne, ƙarya ne. wallahi in ba ku daina ba wallahi za ku ƙare kanku na gaya maku kenan ba wai za ku ce za ku kore mu a jihar Benue din na uba waye ne naku ne ku ɗan Najeriya mu ɗan Najeriya ne ba ku isa ba wallahi in ku yi wasa daga Kadarko abinda ya kai Balanti Daudu abinda ya kai Utese ƙetare waya za mu yi condemn naku in ba ku bari tsokane mu ba yanzu kan mage ya waye tibi bari in gaya maku agoi zai maku bidiyo caca ku bari fa in ba ku bari ba ma rabin ku zai ƙare ba dai ga munan ga ku kuna ce za ku kore mu a jihar Benue wallahi ƙaryanku ko ku bari ko kuma ku mutu yanzu kam mun haɗa ƙafa wando da ku in kun daina kun zama shegu muna nan muna dakonku ranan da kuka ƙare kuka taɓa mana shanu ko mutum to ranan Kadarko condemn Balanti Daudu condemn Utese condemn Ketare waya condemn sai mun haye da ku bayan mun haye da ku za mu ƙare mu haye Benue nan za mu shirya bin Makodi ko ku bari ko kar ku bari yanzu mun riga mun shirya wallahi ko ku bari ko kar ku bari bari gaya maku ba wai za a taba ku kaɗan Tinubu ya tashi ya zo ya yi maku gaisuwa wani rana gagaran na ya zo ya yi maku gaisuwa ana dariya to ranar da mun ƙara kun kashe mana shanu ko mutum ran nan za mu kashe ku sai Tinubu ya yi kuka da idon shi otom wallahi kamar da hankali kai ne ka ɓata ƙasar nan amma gwamnati na yanzu nan ina ji labari ana ce yana da ƙoƙari yana haɗa kan kawunan Fulani da Tibi amma Tom kai ne ka kashe ƙasar nan kuna ce wai kuna yi target a hanya in kun ga agoyi a mota ku kashe to mu ma muna da hankalin kanmu kuma muna ga motoshinku da suna wuce wanda an rubuta masu Benue Oma boss wannan mu ma za mu dinga target nasu kakkashe su mu ƙone su amma mu muna yi zaɓi in mun ga ba yaren Tibi ba za mu fita.
Sherry Britain gangan ni ọ̀dádá tó dá everything sílẹ̀ Britain gangan ni they are the cause of everything that is happening now because if not for pé Britain kó àwọn ọmọ Israel ní ẹrú pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ Arab ẹ wá kó wọn sínú the same territory báwo ni ẹ ṣe máa kó both Jewish people and Arab people inside the same territory they themselves they know that there will be misunderstanding because there are two different group of people totally different from each other ẹ wá fi ìkan jọba lórí ìkan jù kan lọ I think you understand me because àwọn Britain àwọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ kí ó ń yé àwọn Jewish people pé inside the same territory tí àwọn ọmọ Arab àtàwọn ọmọ Jewish tí wọ́n jọ wà papọ̀ ẹ wá ń pè bẹ̀ ní Jewish homeland meanwhile Britain mọ̀ pé it's not possible the same thing náà ṣe fáwọn Nàìjíríà kó tó di pé wọ́n lọ ń gbà yẹn wọ́n sọ fáwọn Fúlàní páwọn Fúlàní ló ní Nàìjíríà that more reason tẹ́ fi rí pé àwọn Fúlàní fi ń sọ wípé àwọn làwọn ní Nàìjíríà àwọn máa gba Nàìjíríà padà that we are hearing the news all here and there because àwọn Britain yẹn they have caused a lot of havoc àwọn gangan ni ó yẹ kí ìlú tí wọ́n gan máa dàrú gan lọ́wọ́ báyìí because it doesn't make sense tẹ́ ṣe máa lọ sí lòǹlù ẹ máa lọ sí zone oní zone ẹ máa lọ dàbẹ̀rú all because of your selfish interest looking for merchandise looking for gold looking for treasuries ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá wọ́n ní ohun tẹ́lẹ̀ kó ń bẹ̀ tẹ́ ṣe wá kó Nàìjíríà lẹ́rú so àwọn gangan ni ọ̀dádá tó ń dá most of the things tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé mọ̀ pé tí kò bá kí ń ṣe pé wọ́n kó àwọn Jewish people àtàwọn Arab people ní 1917 tán kó wọn pọ̀ sínú the same territory irú àwọn kan báyìí ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ that first particular war tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní 1945 àbí 1940 I think 1945 or 1948 kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ because war tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní 1945 tí ó lẹ̀dí sí ikú àwọn Arab over 700 people òun ló fà á tí ogun Gaza àti Israel tó fi ṣẹlẹ̀, because ever since that 1945 they have been trying to revenge, so kálukú wá revenge ara wọn, all because of pé àwọn Britain kan wá láti ibì kan ẹ wá kó àwọn 2 different group of people tẹ́ mọ̀ wípé ìmọ̀ wọn ò jọ, ẹ wá ṣe kíni ẹ kó wọn together inside the same territory, which is absolutely wrong. So Britain are the cause of everything.
ẹ̀yin náà ẹ ṣe hà, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ. ṣe ẹ̀rọ ohun tá à ń wí, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ lélẹ́yìí, àwọn nǹkan tá à ń sọ lélẹ́yìí, ṣé irú àwọn eléyìí la fẹ́ máa bá gbé pọ̀? Irú àwọn ẹni ibi tó ń pọmọ rí balùwẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí, àwọn la fẹ́ máa bá gbé pọ̀, àwọn la fẹ́ máa bá ṣe pọ̀, àwọn eléyìí lẹ fi ń wé wa. Orí mi ẹlẹ́dàá mi kọ̀ ọ́. ṣé irú àwọn eléyìí náà ń pè ní image of God? ṣé image Ọlọ́run náà làwọn eléyìí? àwọn rídìrídì tó ń tẹ́ ẹ̀mí ẹranko ó ṣe pàtàkì sí wọn ju ẹ̀mí ọmọ ènìyàn lọ, and they call all this one image of God. Are they image of God truly? ṣé kìí ṣe image ẹranko làwọn eléyìí? ẹ wo nǹkan tí náà ẹ mọ ẹ̀mí tó ti lọ lẹ́ni, ẹ wo àwọn àmì, ẹ wo àwọn sójà tó ń dáàbò bo ará ìlú, àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tẹ ẹran lọ kó ló kojú àwọn ará bí, ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe fẹ̀mí wọn ṣòfò, ẹ wo àwọn tára wọn, ẹ wo tó kún wọn, ẹ wo hospital, look at the look of the hospital, ẹ wo hospital tó kó wọn sí rédèrè yígiyìgì. Ọlọ́run, ẹ wo orí bẹ́ẹ̀dì tó kó àwọn sójà sí. Ẹ̀yin sójà náà gbogbo yín pápátá náà ṣe bí ọmọ ìlú lẹ́yìn náà, ṣé ìgbélé ayé gbádùn ṣé kò wù ẹ̀yin náà ni? Ìgbélé ayé gbádùn ṣé kò wù yín ni? Àti gbáyé gbádùn ṣé kò wù yín ni? Ẹ wo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń dojúkọ, inú wa ò dùn sí a ní ẹ̀gbọ́n a ní àbúrò sínú yín. Ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe fẹ̀mí àmì ìṣòfò lẹ́ni ń sa àwọn tó ti pa kì í ṣe díẹ̀. Bá ṣe pàkan nìkan rúwé òun lọ̀rọ̀ wọn. Ẹ lọ sí Zamfara, ẹ wo nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ mẹ́lẹ̀ ni, ẹ lọ gbọ́ ìròyìn, ẹ gbọ́ àwọn ìròyìn, ẹ gbọ́ àwọn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ kiri káàkiri orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáyé. ṣé bí ṣe fẹ́ kọ̀ntínú ẹjọ́ àwọn tó ń pààyàn yẹn ṣé wọ́n pọ̀ tó Nàìjíríà ni? Mo believe pé kò sí bí wọ́n ṣe pọ̀ tó wọn pọ̀ tó one population state ẹyọ kan out of 36 states of that country. Wọ́n pọ̀ tó population one state. Kí wá ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà ń wò tí gbogbo yẹn ẹ̀ lè lọ kó kẹ́kógun wọ kí gbogbo Nàìjíríà dà sínú igbó kẹ́ máa wá wọn kiri? Mélòó náà fẹ́ pa? Kí ni àwọn ológun kí ni wọ́n ṣe tí wọ́n rí nǹkan ṣe sí gbogbo àwọn kí ni wọ́n ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe fẹ̀mí wọn ṣòfò? Look at the way they are wasting their life. Àwọn tó ní kẹ́ máa bá ṣe pọ̀, àwọn tó ní kẹ́ máa gbé pọ̀, àwọn lílé, àwọn èèyàn rédèrèdè wọn bó ṣe ń pa àwọn èèyàn kiri. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ lẹ́nu. Ibẹ̀ náà ẹ gbọ́ translation arákùnrin yẹn, ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe ń translate ẹ̀. Ó ti dojú ẹ o, ó ti dojú ẹ. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kágbọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ànílè jù báyìí lọ. Èmi ọmọ náà ní Àkàlàmàgò TV, ẹyẹ méjì òkè ń jàṣà. Please drop your comment, ẹ bá wa share ètò wa, ẹ share lógúnlógún, ẹ share lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n, ẹ bá wa fi ṣalátagbà kó tangbangba kárí ilé, kó tangbangba kárí oko, ẹ ní lá fún.